The abbey sleeps beneath the snow, where barren winter winds do blow. White drifts climb high on ancient stone, and silence keeps the halls alone. The brothers pass with lantern light, like wandering stars within the night. Their psalms rise pale through chapel air, a breath of warmth in frozen prayer. The orchard bends with silver frost, the garden path in whiteness lost, yet still the rood above the nave stands dark against the snowfall grave. Then morning breaks in fields of pearl, soft bells through icy branches swirl, and all the world seems hushed and mild, as though the Christ were born.